That led, in fact, is one of the biggest instigators of a movement called Mau Mau. Right? Rebellion through and through, and it had to be cut. This is the same thing. They're coming for our assets. Why are they coming for our assets? It's a haircut. They're cutting what you have. And it's the first attempt.
But in this case, according to what you're saying, cutting from what you have in order to pay for something that you were not involved in borrowing in the first place.
That is what is going on in this country. And I can assure you, we are not getting out of this as long as we have a delinquent regime in power. We are not getting out of it.
But how does this happen under the watch of everybody? The watch of all the players in the economy of this country, both in government and in non-government entities, political parties, financial watchers such as yourself and the others in Safina. How does it happen? How can we say that it has happened? For example, just looking at by the 30th of April, that there was a borrowing of 686 billion shillings domestically, 520 externally, and there was a repayment of loans of 1.3 trillion shillings, and all these expenditures of just 235 billion shillings on development budget, on development spending at the national government. How does this happen if it's outside of the law and nobody's noticing? It can't be.
I must laugh. I must laugh at that question, because we like to go into this belief that we still have a modicum of some institutions here. Yeah. I think if you're going to assess the last 11 years, I think that fallacy should be thrown in the garbage. Right?
We don't have institutions.
We don't have.
But do we have individuals?
How many times? We have individuals. I commend the COB. I commend the Auditor General. They write reports. They bring out all these. They take them to Parliament. What happens? They take them to ACC. What happens? Which institutions are you talking about?